guys? My name's Sophie. Welcome to my channel. You might know me from TikTok.
I had to swing, I had to make a play. I had to let it go for the night.
That's right! I win!
I am obviously not a TikToker or a YouTuber. I am so glad that you guys are here, and let's get rolling. I feel like if you're on this channel, you are either a senior in high school and you want some help with some college essays maybe. You're a junior and you need some help with getting ready for those college applications, or you are interested in internships, how you can get into your dream school. If you're a sophomore or you're a freshman, maybe you just want to follow me to see what's up, what college life is like, how you can start preparing for college apps, community service stuff, internship stuff. But anyway, so on this channel, I am hoping to help a lot of people. That's my only goal really, is to provide you guys with some free help to nail those college essays and get you into your dream school. I am a second year at UVA. That's pretty much a fancy term for sophomore. If you want to, you can also follow me on TikTok. I post some helpful stuff on there as well. Many of you are probably from TikTok. Hey guys. I'm really excited for the next chapter and sharing more helpful content with you guys. Please stay tuned because I'm probably very rusty at this, but we'll get through it. I post content that you guys want to see, so if you're interested in more than just college essay stuff, I'll probably be posting internships, scholarships. Obviously, I'm an entrepreneur, so if you guys are interested in starting your own business, maybe in high school, that would be really cool and really awesome for college stuff. Maybe I'll even post some fun videos like college vlogs. Please subscribe because I want to get this out to as many people as possible. I want to help as many people as possible. The more free resources there are out there can really help a lot of people. It's a ton of students. I've gone to students into Ivy Leagues, their dream schools. Please subscribe, like, comment below, and more videos to come soon.